MCQs or electronic information resources. Electronic information resources are digitally accessible content in various formats. Which of the following is not an electronic information resource? That is printed encyclopedia. E-resources are typically accessed via computers and mobile device. A key feature of e-resource is remote accessibility. Electronic information resources differ from print in that they can be searched, shared and updated online. Which of the following is a type of e-resource? That is e-book. Which of these format is commonly used for the e-resources? That is .pdf. An institutional repository usually contains research outputs of an organization. A library's OPEC is considered an electronic catalog resources. Example of e-journals platforms include Springer, Link, JSTOR, Elsewhere Science Direct. A common evaluation criteria for e-resource is authority, currency and the usability. Which identifier is most used for electronic journal articles? That is DOI. To access e-resources off campus, libraries often use remote login system like EZ-Proxy or Shibboleth. E-resource license usually define who can access, how and under what condition. Which term refers to unauthorized sharing of e-resources, that is piracy. Libraries use electronic resources to provide updated and remote access to scholarly content. One advantage of e-resource in library is 24 by 7 access. Which service enables discovery of e-resource across platforms? That is patented search engines. Which of the following is a subscription-based e-resource? That is Procost. Libraries take e-resource uses via counter complaint statistic. Which of the following is an open access e-resource? That is DOAJ, Directory of Open Access Journal. What is Shodhganga? Indian Open Access Digital Repository for Thesis and the Dissertation. Which of these offer a collection of open educational e-resources? National Digital Library of India. Which platform provides e-books, journals and database in Indian libraries and list? Which one is a full text academic search engine? That is Google Scholar. Which of the following best defines a hybrid library? That is one that offers both print and electronic resources. Which file format is ideal for preserving formatting in e-resources? That is PDF. Which system helps manage subscription and access to e-journals? That is ERMS, Electronic Resource Management System. One challenge with e-resource is digital preservation and perpetual access. Which of the following is a federated search service used in the library? That is EBSCO Discovery Service. Thank you.